This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Robert Herrings Jr. Having fun house hunting? Probably not. It's a chore you'll like better when it's over. Which may be soon when you see this 3 bedrooms, 2 baths home in Western Hills of Copperas Cove. Refreshing floor plan for the busy lifestyle. Nice location near City Park and easy access to downtown and all the showing districts. Price just right, but hurry, fast sale expected. For more information, review the details below or contact Robert Herrings Jr. at 254 547 9991.